this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how to make inner corners. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, I have already made a tutorial on how to make an outer cornice. You can find the link of that tutorial below in the description. So today in this video we'll be discussing about inner cornice. This will be the part 1 of the inner cornice, which will be discussing it in the simplest way possible. I'll also be making the part 2 of this tutorial, which will be of multiple cornices. Say in one room you have 2 to 3 different types of cornices. How are we going to do it? So that will be the part 2, which will be in the next tutorial. But for now, let's focus on how to make a simple inner cornice with simple steps. Let's get started. Let's make a room. We'll go to the room planning. Space, it's by default office. We can change it to maybe restrooms. Length 5 meters, width 5 meters, height 3 meters, wall thickness 0.1. We'll make it okay. So this is done. Your room is ready. Now what is the next step? We need some cornice or the Autocad drawing. So we'll import one. Load plan. I have the Autocad plan ready. Set the origin, specify the unit of measurement, and then finish. I'll also be sharing you my AutoCAD file, the file of the different cornices, so you can practice on it. And I'll also be sharing with you my Dialux Evo file, so you can use it for the reference. You can find both the files in the link below. You can find it in the description. Please note the link will expire in a week. I'll be uploading this video on YouTube. So we have finished importing the AutoCAD file in the Dialux Evo. Next thing is we'll go to the objects, furniture and objects. We'll select Extrusion Volume. So in this cornices you can select whichever you want to feel to practice. So let's select this one. Okay, this looks simpler. Okay, so very first step when you're making the cornice is choose an extrusion body. Okay, make sure you have an AutoCAD plan visible. If it is not visible, you have to click here. Okay, extrusion body, draw extrusion body, and you have to trace out the whole part. Okay, so place the points properly. So we have finished tracing one part of the cornice. So I will close the cornice here because I don't need to draw this part, because my cornice will be to the wall end. Okay, this is just an AutoCAD drawing. So I will make it till here. Okay, then right mouse click and close polygon. So you have finished tracing the AutoCAD plan of the cornice. If there are any missing parts you want to edit, you can select edit polygon, okay, this tool, and you can edit it. Say here one point is missing, right click and you can add that point. Perfect. Once this is done, you have to rotate your cornice. Okay, we'll rotate it, bring it up, go to the 3D view and check if it is properly rotated. Yes, it's rotated. We can take it to the corner. Okay, and you can scale it to increase its length. Perfect. Let's check it in the 3D view. Well, that's perfect. Let's save our file. We'll apply some texture. Okay, we have placed the cornice only for one side of the wall. We have to place it all 4 sides. So it's very simple. This is a step 2 for this. So all you need to do is just Ctrl C, Ctrl V and rotate it. Make sure you're placing it properly to the end. So once this is done, you can see this is properly placed. You can see the two cornices meeting here. Perfect. Okay, what you can do is select this one, hold the shift key, select the other one, go to copy and arrange, go to group, and then combine. So here now your two cornices which were separate are combined. Now it is only one object. Select this part, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and place it on the other side. Since my room is square in shape, I'm doing this Ctrl C, Ctrl V and combining it. But if your room dimensions are different, so you have to place individually and then combine it. So now all four sides I have placed the cornice and I will combine it. Now it is one object, one cornice. You can see it is perfect. You can see here the corners, perfect. So this is how you're going to make an inner cornice in the Dialux Evo. Very simple, right? So in the next tutorial, we'll be discussing how we can make multiple cornices in a room. So this is it guys in this video. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in Dialux with me. Thank you.